Hello guys and welcome to another episode. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to install Blockbench, which is what we will be using to make mobs and items and blocks inside of Minecraft. So the first thing is to open the link in the description, which leads to blockbench.net. And you have two choices here. The first one being to download the actual Blockbench app or to just use it on your web. So what I do is download it. So you can just open the web app and stuff, but I'm going to show you how to download it. So just click on download and just choose your device. For me it's Windows, so I'm just gonna click on Windows and it should be installing now. So when it finishes installing, just a sec. So when it finishes installing, you'll get this. So just click on I agree, and now this is you can choose if you want this app to only be installed on your account for this device, or anybody who uses this device or computer, like all users of this computer. So I'm just gonna choose anyone who uses this computer. Just gonna click on next and yes. This is not the same thing, just click on I agree, then click on install. It will not take a while, hopefully. Just a few seconds and there. And you can just toggle run Blockbench and finish. And here you have it, Blockbench. You can do whatever you want now. Yeah, and here it will show you the recent projects. I forgot these recent projects. Just not too much, hopefully. But yeah, and just create Java block / item, bedrock entity, bedrock block, modded entity, Optifine entity, Minecraft skin, generic model, image, quick, yeah. So I will make tutorials on how to make things like your own custom mob or item soon. And yeah, so I'll see you next time.